Here's an example of the perfect firewood made by the optional 16-way splitting wedge, only available on the Multitech 2040 XP2 Pro Series machine. Target piece is 4 inches by 4 inches, no bark on the inner pieces, little bark on the outside edge. Perfect firewood for packaged firewood business, perfect firewood for the restaurant industry. This is why you need a Multitech machine.